Hello everyone, it's Rosie Rascal from sunny Florida. Today, we will join a friend on a boat and we will try to find some real animals. Come on, let's go. I see you on the boat. Oh, look! What is this? Oh, schau mal! Was ist das denn? It is big. It swims. It moves very slowly. Es ist groß. Es schwimmt. Es bewegt sich ganz langsam. Come on, let's check it out. Hello. Who are you? Hallo, wer bist du denn?
Hello, my name is Manatee. I live in shallow water in Florida.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, I do have a nickname. I am called the Gentle Giant or even a sea cow. I have to say that I prefer to be called Manatee. Goodbye. Have an awesome day.
Goodbye. It was very nice meeting you. Oh, look! What is this?
Hello, my name is Sea Turtle. I am a reptile. I eat sea grass. I love to swim along the Sunshine Coast's sandy beaches.
Now, I have been on this boat for about 3 hours looking for an alligator or at least a crocodile. But nothing. No croc and no gator. And I thought alligators and crocodiles are the same thing. Well, I guess not. Do you know the difference? Kennst du den Unterschied zwischen einem Alligator und einem Krokodil? Is this a crocodile? Ist das ein Krokodil? Nein. No. I know. Crocodiles and alligators are both reptiles. Reptilien. The crocodile has a V-shaped snout, eine V-förmige Schnauze. The alligator has a U-shaped snout, U-förmige Schnauze. Crocodile is slower than the alligator, langsamer. The crocodile is bigger than the alligator, größer. They're both big, but the crocodile is bigger than the alligator. Can crocodiles and alligators live together? The southernmost tip of Florida is the only place in the United States where you can see crocodiles and alligators together. Die südlichste Stelle von Florida ist der einzige Ort in den Vereinigten Staaten von Amerika, wo Krokodile und Alligatoren zusammen zu sehen sind. However, even in South Miami, they do not live in the same habitat. That means they do not live in the same place. Lebensraum. Alligators live in the swamps. Crocodiles, on the other hand, venture out into open water where the rivers meet the ocean. Remember, in Florida, crocodiles and alligators are just another part of native wildlife. That means it is their home. Sie sind hier zu Hause. The best thing to do is to show them respect. Daher ist es das Beste, wenn man sie mit Respekt behandelt und natürlich einen großen Sicherheitsabstand hält. Watch them from the distance. I see you later on the next show. It's Rosie Rascal reporting from sunny Florida. Have an awesome day. See you later, alligator. In a while, says the crocodile. Hello, everybody. It's Rosie Rascal. It's vocabulary time. I say a word, you repeat it. Ready, steady, go. Oh, look. What is this? Who are you? Do you have a nickname? Awesome! Good. Great. Difference. Do you know the difference? Home. Friend. Boat. Come on, let's check it out. Together. Real animals. Slow. Slower. The slowest. The crocodile is slow. The crocodile is slower than the alligator. The turtle is the slowest. Big. Bigger. The biggest. The turtle is big. The crocodile is bigger than the turtle. What is your name? My name is Rosie. Well, your name is not Rosie, so most likely your name is not Rosie. So just fill in your name. So you say, my name is I see you later on the next show. It's Rosie Rascal reporting from sunny Florida. Have a good day. Have a great day. Have an awesome day.